Hi folks, what you see here is my new Taylor GS Mini guitar. I bought it about 3 weeks ago and I sold my old one because there were so many things to do that it wouldn't have been worth it to keep it. So this new one is quite the same than the old one, but they have changed the picking system, and you can see here now you have a tuner with it integrated, and the battery is now here inside. You see there are two, how are they called, CR2032 batteries, the flat format, and the old GS Mini had a 9-volt battery instead. It was a little difficult to change the battery sometimes because it was on the downside where you put the strap, and so sometimes it was difficult. Here it's easy, but I think it won't last as long as a 9-volt battery. But anyway, that's okay for me. And what you can do here is just adjust the tone and the volume. Unfortunately, they don't have more possibilities anymore for the tone. There was bass and treble and volume, and now it's only tone. That's a little bit disappointing, but I tried this guitar already in live situations and it was okay. So now here it's a tuner. As you can see, when the tuner is on, there is no signal going out, and you can see it's easy to manage, very handy, and in a live situation it's easy as well. Before, that was sometimes a problem. Okay. Let's see inside, have a look. Here is a serial number which I will explain a little more further. How you can interpret the serial number. But this is a quite new guitar, and of course it sounds fantastically. New strings, everything new. I have fun with it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you again the guitar, the front side, and the back side. As we are used to it from Taylor, the quality is fantastic. I have nothing to complain about. And here is where you put your cables in. So of course you want to hear a little bit.
Steep and the mountains so high. If you want to see God, you gotta move on the other side. You stand up there with your head in the clouds. Don't try to fly, you know you might not come down. Don't try to fly, you know you might not come down.
So now let's have a look at the serial number of my new GS Mini. This serial number consists of 10 digits. The first one indicates where it was made. 1 stands for El Cajon in California, USA. 2 stands for Tecate, Baja California in Mexico. As you can see, there's a 2. And that means my guitar was built in Mexico. The second digit and the 7th indicate the 2-digit year. So let's see. The second digit is a 2, and the 7th digit is a 1. What means my guitar was produced in 21. The third and the 4th digit indicate the 2-digit month. So here we have 0 and 1. It means it was built in January this year. The 5th and 6th digit indicate the day. The day, it's a 2 and a 4, it means the 24th of January this year. The last 3 numbers indicate the guitar's position in that day's production sequence. So it was the 161st guitar this day. Yeah, that's all, folks. If you want to see more or know more about serial numbers at Taylor Guitars, just go to their website and you will find more explanations about older serial numbers and how they were built. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. So now you know a little bit more about the GS Mini, and I hope it was helpful to you. If you have any questions, just tell me in the comments. Okay? Bye-bye.